Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA G60. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet, tap Add to Wallet, and focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transport Pass and select Transport Pass you would like to add to your Google Wallet account. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's enter Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, you can add gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. And that's it. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.